Where we're staying in Baler. This is Casa de Viajeros. With me is Mrs. Virgie.
Hello! Please come to our small Casa de Viajeros Inn. Marami kayo makikita dito sa Baler. Address namin sa San Luis Extension, Barangay Buhangin, Baler, Aurora. Contact number is 0918-4922-555. First time, 50 per head.
Pwede.
Minimum of 6 person.
Minimum of 6 person. Kasi lalaboy naman no po?
Oo,
Kaya,
tutulog lang naman sila
Oo,
diba?
tutulog lang. Matukuha ng masyadong mahal. So, see you here when you're in Baler. Visit Casa de Viajeros.
With safe parking area.
Ito ng mga bata, may double deck. Kasi we used to have double deck for them.
Okay,
Go!
ingat ho, ma'am.
Oh, ma'am,
Sige.
thank you so much. We'll see you.